For a particle of moving in a straight line, the displacement of the particle at a time t is given by s equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 3t plus 7. What is the velocity of the particle when its acceleration is 0? That's the question, right? So what is the displacement? S equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 3t plus 7. Is the displacement given in the question? Displacement S equal to t cube minus 6t square plus 3t plus 7. We have to find what is the velocity. Velocity equal to rate of change of displacement, that is ds by dt. So we know that d by dt of t raised to n equal to n into t raised to n minus 1. So derivative of d by dt of t cube equal to 3 into t square d by dt of t square equal to 2 into t raised to 2 minus 1 is 1 d by dt of t equal to, this is t, dt cancel 1, right? And the derivative of a constant d by dt of constant equal to 0. So we apply this one, ds by dt equal to derivative of t cube is 3t square minus 6 into derivative of t square is 2t plus derivative of 3 into derivative of t is 1, derivative of 7 is 0. So what is velocity? Velocity equal to 3t square minus 12t plus 3. This is the velocity. Clear, right? We have to find the velocity of the particle when its acceleration is 0. Clear, right? So what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. That means acceleration equal to dv by dt. Rate means divided with the time. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity means dv by dt. It is equal to d by dt of what is velocity? Velocity equal to t square plus minus 12t plus 3, right? 3t square minus 12t plus 3. If you differentiate this one, which is equal to 3 into derivative of t square is 2t minus 12 into derivative of t is 1 plus derivative of a constant equal to 0, which is equal to 6t minus 12. Clear, right? In the question it is given that acceleration is 0. So therefore what we can write, what is the acceleration? 6t minus 12. This is the acceleration, right? Given that acceleration is 0 means 6t minus 12 equal to 0. That is 6t equal to 12, which implies t equal to 12 by 6. That is t equal to 2 seconds. Clear, right? So we have finally we have to find acceleration is 0 at the second, right? 2 seconds. So what is the velocity of the particle when its acceleration is 0? That is v equal to velocity at acceleration equal to 0. At acceleration is 0 is this velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. Clear, right? So what is the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds? V equal to 3 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 square is 4, 4 into 3, 12, minus 12 into 2 is minus 24 plus 3. Clear, right? So 12 minus 24 is minus 12 plus 3. Minus 12 plus 3 equal to minus 9. Clear, right? This is equal to minus 9. What is the SI unit of velocity? It is meter, this one, meter per second. Clear, right? So velocity equal to minus 9 meter per second is the final answer. Okay.